Hi guys, it's Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So I'm coming to you today with another wig review. This time, this wig review is sent to me by beautyexchange.com. So thank you, Beauty Exchange, for sending me over this wig to do a review on. So this is similar to my last review because it's by Sensationnel and their Butter Lace line. This is actually going to be in the style Curly Body 26 inch. I also wanted to mention Beauty Exchange is a new to me website where you can buy your synthetic wigs or other beauty supplies from. They actually have locations, a lot of locations. I know one of them is in Georgia, I believe, and there's a couple other. I'll put the information in the description box. And they also have really good deals. Like the other day I was scrolling and they had like a happy hour deal, $25 for some very popular wigs, 3 popular wigs. So go ahead and check them out and see what things they have to offer you. This is how Miss Curly Body 26 inches looks like. She's one of those wigs where you really can't run your fingers through them too much because, honey, this is going to get bigger and bigger as you do it. But this does have the HD lace. It's a human hair and premium fiber blends. It does come in some specialty colors. Let me see if they're on the inside. Yep, there we go. So the balayage colors it comes in. I got her in a number 2 though. She's ear to ear T-parts wig, 5-inch deep parting space. Looks really natural, like the last wig did. So I'm gonna go ahead and come back like I did in the last video, show you how I install it, some of the parts of the install, and then we'll go back and I'll give you my final opinion on the wig. See you soon. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do a voiceover since I can't find some non-copyright infringement music. Right now I'm just cutting off the sides of the lace so it can fit better around my ear. This also helps the lace to lay flatter on my face and is not pushed up by my ears. And that way, when I add the lace spray, it will be flush to my face. Okay. I'm also going to cut 3 slits into the lace. That way, I can work in sections. And, well, when I cut the lace, I can work in sections. And it won't be hard for me to cut the lace off and potentially pull it from sticking with the lace wig spray. And this is by Eben. It's the black can. It's like the super ultra hold. It's the strongest hold they have, and I do love this brand for lace spray. So they're winning. It's better than the Got to Be glue spray. If you don't want to use lace glue, this is definitely a better option. You can take it off at night. Then I'm just gonna let this set with a wig band or a lace band. You can also use a blow dryer for quicker setting results. As you can see, the hairline is way too far back, so I left a lot on to cover my actual hairline. That's optional. You can always just cut that part of the lace off and pull some of your natural hair out and add your baby hairs. I left it on because I know how to conceal the extra lace with the baby hairs and sideburns. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just sectioning out where I want my baby hairs to go and my sideburns. And then I'm going to curl it so it could like just lay better. And I'm using the Got to Be gel in the black tube to lay my lay my baby hairs. So I usually don't put my makeup on before I lay my wigs down or my baby hairs down because it just gets icky and gooey and you can start to see the gel mixing with the foundation and it's really gross. So I think this is my last time doing that. I'll just come on my videos barefaced because I don't care because this is just gross and nah. But yeah, I'm just shaping my baby hairs here. And you are going to see how it's supposed to look. Alright, so last step is to basically flatten the wig using a wax stick. This is by Cara wax stick. And this hot comb is from Amazon. And just helps the wig to lay flatter and look more natural, like a natural install or a flawless install, how you would get when you get in a salon. Okay, so this is how the finished look is. You see the side, the back, the other side. It's very cute. This is with the accessory I added. And this is a cute updo I decided to do just to give y'all a couple of looks. Okay guys, so I hope you like that little tutorial. It took a lot for me to do, so appreciate it, okay boo? But let me go ahead and give you my final thoughts on this unit. She's very hot. That's the first thing that came to my mind because it's hot. It's a summertime. This is not a summertime wig unless you want to be in some air conditioning, okay? So the pros about it, of course, the lace is always flawless with the synthetic lace lace wigs. The HD lace, of course. It's very thin, very easy to work with, very much blendable. I love the curl pattern, although this is a type of curl pattern that's definitely going to get bigger and more frizzy the more you play with it. So just don't play with it. That's why I'm actually coming to you guys before I do my last style and finishing the video, because I know it's gonna get big once I do this style that I want to do. And yeah, I love the length. This is claiming to be 26 inches, and I definitely agree with it. Let me make sure. Yep, it's 26 inches, and I definitely agree that it is a 26-inch wig. It comes down to my bottom. You can't see it, but it's like almost to the bottom of my bottom. So that usually means for me that's like a 26-inch unit when stretched. Of course, stretched is probably more like 22, okay, or 22, 24. So cons, and I know y'all saw me struggling with the sideburns. The lace, of course, the wig cap is big on me, so it bumps my ears down. It doesn't give me as much alfalfa as the last butter lace, sensational butter lace unit did, but the hairline, it was all the way back here, child. I had to pull some hair down just to swoop it up and cover it, which I know how to do it, so it's no problem. But if you're not really like advanced in that area, it could be a problem. But then again, you can just, you know, blend it in with your natural hair. That's what I used to do in the beginning. I used to just pull my natural hair out and blend it in with the wig. And this is definitely, like, I got the color too, so I definitely could have did that if I had dyed my gray hairs. But anyway, overall, I would probably give this unit, because I do enjoy the length. It's really glamorous. That's why I put this dress on. It's like cute, glamorous summer dress on, because so I would give it definitely like a 7. I did cut it a little bit on the side, so there is some shedding. Of course, over time it'll dissipate. Shedding, tangling. This John's gonna tangle. It's a synthetic wig. It's gonna tangle. Get used to it, girl. Other than that, you know, I would give it more points if it was peanut head friendly. It's not, but it's definitely big girl head friendly. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. The links will be down in the description box. I'll be posting pictures in this unit, and I will be doing a TikTok. I'm in the process of finishing that now. If you have any other questions I didn't answer, just go ahead and, you know, comment down below. And thanks for watching.